I wanna show you something cool stuff to you guys. Maybe you're just wondering what's in your face and so on. I will tell you. But before that, let's change something. I have recently talked to my sister and just sent a video of mine and just kind of started to judge me what I'm doing with my face and just a lot of just a lot of nipples on my face and so on. Just send me a photo of the screen that I got. Just good news. Just I hope that it will help me. Look at this. I hope to see it. I hope it will help me to improve my face. It just kind of was, just when my sister said everything that about that, I kind of I wanted, but you kind of true. You're telling the truth, really. I mean, I have to deal with that, and I have been using this cream for about a week, I suppose. Yes, and I hope you see difference. Maybe not right now, but after months, if I will still using that cream, you will see. I hope the difference. It was a news for me. I ended the fundamental parts 1 and 2 of the complete JavaScript course, blah blah blah, I don't remember honestly, and one of the things I can surely tell before to start and discuss about that, but I have just learned new for me and so on. I'm excited. I'm just too good and interested in learning new materials, new stuffs, to growing, and making another assignments after another, and it's kind of interesting, just I suppose, just this phrase every beginning is difficult. It's something that I don't remember honestly saying, but and I think that I broke that wall of the beginning, and I just want to keep growing to keep doing. I hope you will see exactly what I will do, but I could just have seen some problems. It was one just assignment I couldn't manage because I just complicated everything, but it was easy to understand. But anyways, I just complicated, didn't understand exactly what the assignments was about, and just it was a stupid mistake. Just when I just one story I just will tell you exactly. Just yesterday on the 12th February, I couldn't sleep in because I have to go to work. I mean, in the morning I have to sleep to be active, to be okay, to work well, and I couldn't sleep in. Just about two, I don't know, about 1.5 hour. I couldn't sleep, honestly saying, and I just nervous, and after that, I'm just coming to there to see, and it's just kind of I don't know how much just what the hell is going on, but I don't know. Just I have to do something with that. I just look at the answer and just kind of holy shit. I mean, really? I mean, what? It was only about that? I mean, I have done that part. I wanted to do something completely different. And I will show you exactly what I wanted to make, and I just so stupid in that. Maybe I could do that just to Google and so on, and maybe some of you guys will help me to make it, show how exactly I have to do that. But anyway, yeah. One of the things that I've learned in the fundamental parts of the course, it's about the type conversion and coercion, just namely in the equality operators. I mean, just double equals, we see triple equals. Just here we go. Just we got here just an example I will show you. Just we got two variables. One of them just a number 12, and second of them is string. If you just check the type of the boss, you will see just the difference of them. Just it's a number and a string. Okay, one of the things just we can just it's well, it's operator. We can just look at them. What we got? Just let's say just if just they're equal, we will got this. What we'll get is, if you know, just guess. I will give you some seconds. I hope it's enough because not so big program it is. So let's check it what we'll get. Here is 12. I hope yes you see 12. Wow. And if you do that in that way, you will get false. What's the problem here? Why this happened? What's different? I will tell you the difference. I have said before before this in a couple seconds of this video, I said that type conversion, type conversion. Honestly saying, you have said that there are just different between them. This number and string. You have to compare. They will be equal when the both of them will be one type. I mean, just if the both will be number or string, then will be equal. But here's just a trick. You see that this two double operator will automatically just a number will be just a numbers variable will be converted to, in this case, course set. I would say, I hope that is correct one, in string. That's why we got that one. And thank you for the plus number. If we just yeah, here's the plus number. This we would just between numbers thing. And every time will be just added like it will be string. If we just want to check it, let's see. We will check it. Const sum, let's say, and type of sum. String, how I say. And in that case, it will be not converted. You have to exactly just convert in your case. And instead to get that, let's check that one. We will get right now false because it will be not coerced in number and in string. That's why they are not equal, because they are different types. Let's say that we just want to just make it, oh sorry, I hope in that I just rather the total we'll get in there. Here we go, we got it. We just made it manually to convert in number, convert it in number, and here we go, we got it. I hope that you got the difference a little bit. I'm not teacher, I just want to show what exactly I got it. It's kind of interesting. I hope you understand it. Here is the problem that I just have made a mistake. I didn't get exactly what I need to do. Okay, just let's read the problem. There is a problem. We got an array, just to call it list of neighbors, just some countries, and we have to do just one by one, exactly like every just element have to be console to our Chrome, and we'll see that. And right now we're just seeing that we got an array and two loops, because we have got array in array, just an element. That's why we have to just access to that. And we got first one to access this one, this one, this one. Second one to access exactly this one inside of that. Here we got one element, here we got three element, just array. And after that we will see that we will get exactly. Okay, but it was the assignment I had to make, but I didn't get exactly, and I have made by my own way, and I will show you my own way. Just comment that. Here we go. Oh, in my previous code, I had another neighbor in the just in the inside menu scene, just in the titles we got just neighboring and so on. I got maybe to my neighboring that I got Canada, and we have to just just find just compare them, and when they match Canada, after that they will just come just like neighbor Canada, for example, like in that way, or just in that way, something that way. Okay, let's do that. I have done one array, second array, to access the arrays in tab, and let's compare them. A list of them. Just we will compare that one and with that one. Exactly, it will be not correct, and if it's correct, just console show in the console now us the exactly the matched country neighbor. Just in this case, Canada has to be, in my case. But I think it's false because I have already done, but I'm not sure. Maybe it can be true. No, we'll see the second false. Like the masquerade, I got it. It's just, it means fail in Germany. I mean, and I just Google and just looked over how exactly I can do that. And I got it, but I didn't want it to just fully completely get it to make it, because it's not so important right now, because there are a lot of ways to make it true, but I think it's possible to just go to Stack Overflow or just another websites, and you will see the answer. author of the course just gave me pathways what I want to do. Do I want to just prepare myself for a job interview? Do I want to learn about framework, JavaScript frameworks? Do I want to just learn important things? Just do I want to make it only UI projects, or I just user interface projects? I mean, or just want to just learn just language, or just learn everything. I suppose in my case, I will go step by step and learn just everything that author gave us. She taught us to be just a good developer, just very good developer in that case. And anyway, just if you just in my case, just telling about me, maybe I will forget about that, maybe, but in my case, I want to just have a real good foundation, just the foundation to go from that, just for example, after that I can learn just Node.js or just React or Vue, just another frameworks, yes, let's talking about. And if I know it's very good JavaScript, really very good, it will be easy to integrate in that sphere. And I think that I will take a path to learn everything, and I will show you almost every section. If you just skip something, I will tell you I just skip because it's nothing to tell you, because you have to just go by yourself. We'll see. I don't know. And then I want to say, just keep learning, keep doing, keep working, and let's push our dreams. I'm so excited to make my website already. Ooh, finally, yeah, go, boom.